want to thank each and everyone who has participated and associated and contributed their effort, their time, their experience, because this is extremely enriching and absolutely priceless.
I mean, to even my organization, I would be very thankful that they have nominated me, and at the same time, very thanks to the Diversify who have taken that efforts to do that.
I have learned a lot, and we can implement in our work culture as well.
Mentors are very good, and public speakers are very good.
With our individual mentors who got assigned to us, and which in itself has given us a plethora of newer avenues and insights. I'm very personally, I'm very comfortable with my mentor. I think we've been able to exchange some amazing conversations, and she's been kind enough to give me time out of her extremely busy schedule.
The mentor I have now is giving me a different perspective, right? So a mentor is someone who's always more knowledgeable than us. And the good part is that if they're knowledgeable, they're ready to learn from us, right? So it's a two-way process. So I think it's also good that we talk.
The mentee and mentor situation is absolutely good. I really appreciate my mentor who is really helping out with so many things.
She's spending like 1 hour time with me, understanding my experiences, and guiding me wherever I'm like feeling a hurdle in few scenarios, like how to overcome them. Some tips and tricks she's advising.
That was one thing I really learned. I'm trying to really learn from her those techniques and those kind of professionalism, I would say. It was really great talking to her because the kind of experience she has, and we could I could correlate with what she has gone through.
Definitely her things are very valuable. She's connecting to me often. I mean, she's addressing all my issues. Very polite, very good opportunity given to me, and use her mentorship.
So I connected with her and talked to her. I was like really very impressed. I mean, she gives really very good inputs.
Like after meeting her, after talking to her on certain things, I felt that being a very good human being is more important for a leader. So she is really grooming me for those things, like how to be calm, then how to handle things without getting biased or getting distracted, and how to have a goal. But getting these kind of inputs made me personally a good person. I mean, it's still in the process, but I can see a change in myself.
Working with people, it's like sharing ideas. That's really something that I'm loving, and you can hear a lot from their personal experiences also.
The networking session was very useful. Could able to meet different people from different fields actually.
Our sessions and the two-way dialogue which is being exchanged between the speaker and participants is augmenting our experience in every possible spectrum. Adequate breakout sessions in between, the Q&A mode of participation.
It was also helpful when we talk about how we react to what we listen. Because of that session, I tried to at least search for those things and gather knowledge about it. Right? So all these videos are really helpful, and whenever it is required, we can go back and view them and implement it in our life, I would say. So I wanted the access for always. I want to see them.
I would encourage all the women to attend this.
My thought process has been improved. Coming out and contributing myself, adopting those skills.
Those were certain things which I learned about the leadership qualities, or how to grow, and how to how to be the face in front of a certain set of people.
Now I am completely a different person with more aspirations. That age is not the factor. It's the thought process. We should have that deriving, like where you want to land. So definitely there should be a growth every day, and that growth is a happy growth. It's not like forceful growth.